Damn it, y'all missed the best strike I've ever seen. It lit up the whole freaking sky. So the storm isn't going anywhere. In fact, I think it's getting a little closer. Let's check my iPod. Yep. According to this baby, it'll be here in 10 minutes. Oh hell. It's gonna hit us good too. There goes the air pressure. It's getting windy. It's really about to start kicking in. One more good strike. Oh bull. That looks like crap on the screen. Yes, I just got alerted. Severe thunderstorm warning. Ellis County, 11 p.m. Well hell, that's a couple hours from now. What good is that for me now? At least our county's in it. It seems like every time I turn on the camera, the sky gets shy. Hear it coming in the south. I'll give it another minute. If I was pointing in the south, you'd get a nice video. Ah, there's something to the right. Or left. Didn't mention I was drinking a few beers.